a probe of this machine is installed. First up is our gold handle. Is when the probe is installed, you have to be in two states. One is to shut down without activating our handle. Before you can install the handle or insert and remove the handle, do not activate this lever. To insert and remove the handle, it's easy to get the water out of the tank. It came out of this handle. Off state, if we want to replace it, you can just pull it off. And then when the probe was installed, be sure to know the holes on these pins of the probe. Pin these places must be. See if there's any water on it. If there's water on it, it has to be cleaned. Make sure there isn't any water on it. We'll install it again. If there's water on the lead angle, it could have easily led to here. This handle is working. It's just a very special situation. Like when he hits and clicks and stops. This situation has that. After the handle is installed, there is also a point to note about the stand. Right after we flipped it up, don't put this button inwards. Make sure you put it vertically in the middle of this slot. Because if you put it in there, it kind of presses down on the button. If your interface is activated, it's always going to work. I want you to shoot out all of this probe. And then this is a whole probe. He installed this probe. Let's just randomly pick a new. When installing it, well, we just need to focus on 2 points. One is here. This one is a hole right here in the middle of the can. It has to go in here. This tie rod is inserted here. Alright, once we target these 2 places, just plug it in, then press down on one of the spring buttons on either side. Push it in. Release key. That should do it. Cold hammer is not required to install the probe. It is one. Then we'll look at the microneedle handle. How are the needles assembled? The needle assembly is the same for both microneedle handles. Now we've installed it. When I take it off again, have a trick. Just give it a little bit of a lift. You can use your fingers to get to the top. After exiting the car slot, just pull it out. The installation is basically the same. Let's align it with this groove. That's the top piece. Align with the top notch. The bottom 2 angles are facing these bottom 2 points. Such insertion. As soon as we see it's stuck, we can be done. And that's it. This is where we install the probe on the handle. This machine will be received after. A step that must be performed. It's the most important part. After receiving it, the instrument must be filled with water. Where else would our single point handle be? That's a carved handle. It doesn't work properly. You need a water funnel. This is CPC. Then it needs to be attached to a funnel. Once we're connected like this, directly into our watering hole. The first is a water filling hole. Once it's connected, overflow hole connected to CVC. After connection, we just add pure water to it. After the water comes out of the spillway, stop adding water. Water means it's full. Pull out the funnel and CPC. How do you put this spring on the side? It'll just pop out automatically. Just wipe the water off it.